Alright, can't see much out here because most of the work is inside, but it's all the holes are being filled up, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. You've still got the tap to do. Yep, still the old tap. Roof's getting done nice, very nice, very nice. Just a few more beams, I suppose, and then the roofing can just be screwed on. So that's very good. And inside, he's left the light on. That's what I thought. Alright. Okay, this is the important thing. There's the circuit breaker and the power point for the air conditioning, and all the wires, cables have been strung up through the ceiling and straight to the mains, which is good. Now there should also be wires going across to the CR. Oh yes. Well, there's the circuit breaker. The switch is underneath. Okay. Oh, this is still here. It'll probably get moved the next time. This has been done. I know it's got no cap on it. So if he turns the water on, all the water will piss out. It's got no cap. Yeah, the cable's long enough. So that should be empty. Alright. So that's all done. Just got to give this a bit of a clean up. Yeah, there's the wires going into the ceiling and then straight out across to the mains. Alright, oh, they close these fucking windows. I could turn the light on, but no, I was afraid of electrocution or something. Alright, so there's this. I don't know if it's on or off. I can't see it. It's too high up, but I will check it out. I'll check it out on the video later. Alright. Door closes quite easily. Yeah, so nothing has to be done in there. So yeah, that's all been done. Just got a few little finishes to do and that's it. Job done. Alright. Alright. Look at that. New tap. Bidet is about to be bolted over here somewhere. And that is going on this side. Maybe here, I'm not sure. Flash screens are here, will be installed soon. This is where the new external outlet will be situated, connected to the internal outlet, running up the same wires. And there's the old one there, the internal one of course, and it will be all done. They got bigger sheets they brought with them this morning to do the rest of the roof siding. He fixed all this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, good. No more leaking.
The hole.
Oh, there was a hole there.
Yeah.
Ah, that's why leaking. There was a hole there. Now he's installing the bidet. Oh, that's done. Good and true. The big tree. Nice tall piece. Very good, very good. Let's check. Ooh, one bidet mounted. Won't know if everything works until the water's turned back on, and we can't turn the water back on until the shower is installed. That'll be this afternoon. Jerry will come to my house, remove it from the wall, because for some reason it's stuck. I can't get it out. I can't remove it from the wall. I did it once before. I've done the same process again this time, but no, it just refuses to play ball. It just doesn't want to come out this time. I don't know why. Don't know why. Might as well keep these locked. No point opening up these windows. This goes into the kitchen area, and I don't want all the cooking smells to go into the bedroom, so I'll have to keep the door closed. Got a power point there, and we've got a power point there. Can't move away from the direct sunlight. Once the air conditioner's in, everything should be sweet. There's a bit of a gap there. Might block that off. A bit of silicone in there or something. I think the Americans call it caulking. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. It looks a little bit disgusting. I don't really want to just throw paint over it. It's falling apart there. I might have to scrape it off, but if I scrape it off, I might be destroying the panel more. So yeah, I don't know. I'll ask Jerry about it and we'll see what he says. Might ask Ruel. I'll be back. Alright, My flow screens are here. Just about to be installed. Doing my what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Doing the outlet. See? Pull it apart. Drill the holes through the wall so he knows outside where to make the hole. Feel like I'm calling my horse.
Ho, 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 ho.
Where?
Is it the horse?
Where's? No.
Got your horse.
I thought you said.
Ho, ho, ho. Yeah.